foot in the door and door-in-the-face techniques in sales and policing. The foot in the door technique. The foot in the door sales technique involves starting with a small request or action, which is likely to be agreed upon, and then following up with a more significant one. The goal is to get the person to agree to the more substantial request using the initial agreement as leverage. Application in everyday persuasion. For instance, a salesperson might ask a potential customer to sign up for a free service trial and then follow up with a request to upgrade to a paid subscription. Another example is when a charity organization asks people to sign a petition and then follows up with a request to make a donation. A relatable strategy for U.S. police officers. This technique is used not only in sales but also to get a person to do something that in normal circumstances he would refuse. A police officer could use the foot in the door technique by asking citizens to provide information or help with a minor issue, such as reporting suspicious activity in their neighborhood. Once the person agrees, the officer can ask for more significant assistance, such as helping with an investigation. The door-in-the-face technique. On the other hand, the door-in-the-face technique starts with a large, unreasonable request that the person is likely to reject. After a negative answer, it follows up with a more minor, more reasonable request. The idea is that the person will feel obligated to agree to the minor request since they have already refused the larger one. This technique is used in sales, politics, and everyday life. Application in everyday persuasion. For example, a salesperson might ask a potential customer to buy an expensive product and then follow up with a request to purchase a less expensive but still profitable product. Another instance would be if a nonprofit organization solicits huge donations and then follows up to seek further modest contributions. A relatable strategy for U.S. police officers. A police officer could use the door-in-the-face technique by first asking a citizen to do something more extreme, such as going to the station for questioning. Once the person is refused, the officer could ask for a less drastic request, such as providing some information over the phone.